This chapter is on voting methods, and we have 4 different voting methods that we're going to be looking at. And the first one is called the plurality method. And this says that the candidate, or candidates if there is more than one, with the most first place votes is the winner. So for number 1, we are selecting the winner using the plurality method. And we have a preference table here, and we need to know how to read the preference table. So this 130 means that 130 people voted like this, meaning Antonio was their first choice, Bob was their second choice, Carmen was their third choice, and Donna was their fourth choice. And this 120 means that 120 people voted with Donna as their first choice, Bob as their second choice, Carmen as their third choice, and Antonio as their fourth choice. So if you add up the number of votes, we find that we have 500 total votes. So for the plurality method, we only care about the number of first place votes. So Antonio got 130 first place votes, and that's it. So the percentage of the vote, we would take 130 and divide that by the total number of votes, which is equal to 26%. As you can see from the top row, Bob did not get any first place votes. So that would be 0%. Carmen got 150 first place votes, which is 30%. And then Donna got 120 plus 100 first place votes. So that is 220 total. Which is 44%. So Donna got the most first place votes, so she is the winner.